Hey folks, February 22nd, we're up here in Hale, Michigan, going on Valhalla Hunting Ranch, private preserve, up here trying to take a management elk today. So we'll see what happens. We got the odd six, got my guide, Mr. Chuck Van Gordon, with me.
Howdy.
We're up here heading to the preserve right now to meet up with Jimmy, the caretaker. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can put some on the ground for y'all, and we'll be eating good in a couple days. See y'all when we get there. Pulling up to Valhalla up here in Hale, Michigan.
Sit tight, he'll come open the gate when you. He said he'd be about 10 minutes.
Alright folks, here is the Valhalla Lodge. Another small house over there. We are at Valhalla, walking into the processing room.
And that's when you really got nailed. That's Bullwinkle sheds from last year.
Okay.
I saw him about 20 minutes ago, and man, he's something else.
Is
Yeah, he's something else.
Yeah.
That's the big boy Bullwinkle?
Well,
That's
he's
his
not
shed.
typical.
That's his sheds from last year.
Oh, that's from last year.
Yeah.
I left my phone in the truck. Matt might have called me. I gotta keep that with
This particular bull right here was gored in the spine, and they found him on the property. So the big boy right there, huh? Alright, we got a bald eagle up here. Big bull. Big boy.
like that. It's just a total annoyance.
Alright folks, basically what's going on is we were sitting in the blind. We couldn't get the elk to cooperate, so we got two guys out pushing now, and me and my guide Jimmy, we're heading back to the blind. So you want to tell everybody what we're doing here, Jimmy?
Well, we're trying to pinpoint a yearling cow calf, and she's with the herd of cows, and we're trying to do this the easy way, and that we want to get them to a certain location before we take the shot so that we don't have to pack meat all day. That's a little bit difficult, asking a little bit on the part of the elk to cooperate, so it may or may not happen that way. But we're trying to get this yearling cow calf into a meadow where we can get a shot on her and be able to take care of the meat easily, so it turns out to be a total enjoyable day as opposed to it's a meat packing day.
And we don't want to pull her out of the cedar swamps either, so.
Well, that's when it just becomes work and not so much fun hunting.
Gotcha. We'll make it happen. Jimmy's been here at Valhalla for 17 years, folks, so he knows what he's doing. And stay tuned. We'll put it on the ground for you.
He usually just sits by himself.
Yeah, nobody else wants anything to do with those horns.
What's that score, Jimmy?
That's well over 400, probably 450.
That's Bullwinkle.
Okay, here's the the storm tower a week ago last Friday. You know, it was one of those 20 below. Just coming over the ridge, so don't push him anymore now. Okay, I'll call you back.
We got him back here.
Okay, so now we just need to wait him out because it'll be, let him calm down. Those guys will stop pushing him. And they'll come, hopefully they'll just come out here to the meadow.
They're way back there, folks. Alright, we got this group of elks out here.
Okay, see there?
Yep, they're coming in.
It'll be real still. Okay,
That little one.
no.
The third one.
No, I'll tell you. Let me see if I can see.
Hopefully they'll make their way in. Oh, there's the bull, the last one.
Yeah. They're staying on the fence. Okay, see that cow that shot. You take it. I'm getting zoomed in here.
You think they're gonna make their way in?
I don't know.
You got a good picture.
Yeah, I got a picture. So they're bunched up now. Just be real still. Be real still.
Did you zoom this all the way in?
Yeah, okay, there's your cow right there by herself.
The
In
last
the back, yeah.
Okay.
So if you get the shot,
Very last one.
yes.
Okay.
If you get the shot, you take it.
We'll let her come in a little bit. Oh, she's got lighter color too.
Yeah, that's the one I was telling you about. She's real light colored.
We'll let her get into this opening right here.
Okay. Now make sure you got a clear shot in the back. Don't get that bull in your back. You might get fired.
Come on. So it's not it's the
It's that.
third of the back, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You zoom in.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah. Just wait till she's clear. Fucker, I lost. Okay, she's standing broadside. That one cow walked past her. She's grouped up now. Hang on. God, shut up. I can't run the camera. Turn the phone off. Shit, we're gonna move. You're gonna have to take the shot, okay?
I lost her.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to regroup.
I don't want to take a bad shot.
Right.
Alright folks, we're up there. Regroup. They came through here. We couldn't get a good shot, so they're heading to another meadow, so
Yeah,
we're gonna try to chase them down. We just couldn't get a good shot. Don't want a wounded animal running around, so hopefully we could catch up to them and we'll make it happen.
Unfortunately, we didn't have any deer in here when the elk came through, because if it had...
The very first one.
Yeah, she's busted us already, so take her. I'm gonna try to get on her right quick here. Okay, got her. Oh, I can't see her. Go ahead, Ziggy. I'm
Ready?
trying to... Yeah, go ahead.
Hold on, let me wait until she turns.
Take her right there, right in the neck. Okay, get her in.
One more? No, we good, huh?
Just let her stay right there. Okay, get ready now. Shit. Take another one. Now I want you to get one in her neck, okay? Get it right in her neck. There you go.
We got it, baby.
All right.
Alright, folks, we finally got her on the ground. We've been chasing around these elk all morning. We had a close call down there. I just didn't want to take a bad shot, so we came into the west side of the property, and Chuck and Matt pushed these elk up. So me and Jimmy, my guide, we were up in the blind over there, and she came in, and basically up here we're basically taking head shots, neck shots, to put them on the track so we don't have to chase them down the cedar swamp. So it was a good rush, my first elk. You know, it's not out west, but it's in here in my home state, so I'm excited, and it's gonna go to the family in a couple weeks. This is for my pops, dad, that I lost last year, and this is for my dad. So I'm sure if he was here, he'd be proud. So we'll be taking some meat to him over at the cemetery. But anyhow, thanks for watching Asian Outfitters. We'll see you guys next week when we eat good. Peace.
Go.
All right, folks, we're all set up here at Valhalla Lodge. Got my first elk, cow elk today. My guy Jimmy up here at up in Hale, Michigan. So once again, Jimmy, thanks.
You're very welcome. Congratulations.
Hopefully we'll be back again next year, okay?
Yeah,
I gotta
sounds good.
get salesman of the year again.
Well, there you go. There's a goal for you.
Now here's the one that really made it happen.
It was fun. I enjoyed working with you guys.
Thanks, Matt.